Here is how to make an effective Moringa hair growth butter. You'll be needing a stainless bowl or a beaker that is heat resistant. Please do not use a plastic bowl. We'll be using the double boiler method to heat up our oils. Then this is my Ayurvedic or herbal hair growth oil. This hair growth oil consists of over 23 ingredients, which include oils and herbs. You can check our previous video to see how I formulated it. Then this is a scent that is going to make the product smell good when we are done making it. Next is olive oil. You can make use of the extra virgin olive oil, which is even more potent than the ordinary olive oil. Next we have henna. Using henna for hair helps reduce excessive hair fall and cures dandruff. It is also used for accelerating hair growth and improving its texture. Then we have moringa powder, which is the most important ingredient here, followed by emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax can be used as a conditioner. It also helps to thicken the product a little bit. Then we have our measuring spoons and the base, which is the shea butter. If you have mango butter, cocoa butter, or you can use mixture of the three of them, it is fine. Just make sure you use them based on the measurement that is being provided in the video. So over here I'm going to be measuring 1 cup of shea butter. If you have the 3 butters, please measure them in one particular cup altogether, but make sure the shea butter is bigger in quantity than the mango butter and the cocoa butter. Then you pour it inside your bowl and move to the next step, which is to measure the emulsifying wax. The emulsifying wax is completely optional. If you don't have it, please, you can skip this process, but it's also going to benefit your hair if you have it in your possession, so make use of it. Next is moringa powder. Moringa is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair, including vitamin A, B, C, E, iron, and zinc. These nutrients work together to nourish hair follicles, strengthen hair strands, and improve the overall health of the hair. As for the henna, we just need a little of it, so I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon of it into the bowl. If you want to see results when using this butter, please, you have to be consistent, because you can't use it once and conclude that it's not going to work. It works very well. So I'm going to be measuring the olive oil and pour it inside the bowl, then followed by the potent hair growth oil. If you have other oils such as castor oil, coconut oil, almond oil, argan oil, you can put them inside as well. So we're done putting everything together. The next step is to use the double boiler method to melt the butter. Please note that the emulsifying wax takes longer time to melt, even the shea butter as well. When making your clove hair growth butter, please follow this exact step from the beginning of the video till the end of the video. The difference is that you're going to use more of clove and you're not going to use moringa. Okay, so you use clove and a little bit of henna and followed by the other procedures. So when your oil is melting, this is what it looks like. When you're done melting your oil, the next step is to allow it to cool down a little bit, then proceed to straining out the oil, because we don't need the powder anymore. All we just need is the oil that is being melted, and when we are done, we are going to proceed to whisking it until it reaches a very thick consistency. Then you can stop. And if you want this procedure to be very fast, you can even put your oil as it is like this inside the refrigerator. Then after 5 to 10 minutes, bring it out, then whisk it to a very thick consistency. It's much faster that way. As the butter is thickening up, we are going to be putting in our essential oil, tea tree lavender essential oil, then the vitamin E oil, which also comes in capsule, then followed by our scent. You can put in any scent of your choice. This is a mixture of vanilla, strawberry, and banana scent mixed together. So just a cup of it is enough. You put it together, you whisk it for an extra 5 to 10 minutes, then your butter is ready. Proceed to packaging this inside your container. And if you're wondering if this moringa hair growth butter is going to spoil, no, it's not going to spoil. It's going to last for a very long time. The only thing that may spoil a product is if there's water inside. Then you are to use a preservative that is going to elongate the life
shelf of the product. So as it is right now, it's not going to spoil. Okay, so if you have more questions or if you don't understand any part, please let me know and I will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.